Imagine waking up feeling exhausted despite sleeping a full 8 hours. Your body feels heavy, your mind is foggy, and even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide struggle with chronic fatigue, and many don't realize that the answer might be sitting right on their plate. Today, I'm sharing the empowering knowledge of breakthrough nutrition strategies that help people reclaim their energy and lives. Stay tuned. This is the solution that puts you back in control of your energy levels. Before discussing what you should eat, let's consider what's draining your energy. Think of your body like a high-performance car. Put in the wrong fuel and it starts breaking down. That morning, donut or white bread sandwich might seem like a quick pick-me-up, but here's what's really happening. Your blood sugar shoots up fast, giving you a burst of energy, only to come crashing down just as quickly. The result? You feel even more drained than before. It's like borrowing energy at a steep price. You'll have to pay it back. Next is the caffeine trap. Sure, that third cup of coffee gets you through the afternoon, but excessive caffeine is like whipping a tired horse. It forces your adrenal glands to pump out stress hormones until they're exhausted, worsening your fatigue in the long run. And those convenient processed foods? Many processed foods contain inflammatory ingredients that make your body work harder, draining your energy reserves just to digest them. Common energy drains include sugary snacks and products made with white flour, which can lead to rush spikes and crashes in your energy levels. Additionally, consuming excessive caffeine, more than 2 cups of coffee per day, can lead to a cycle of dependency and fatigue. Processed foods that contain artificial ingredients also contribute to a sluggish feeling, as they often lack the nutrients our bodies need for sustained energy. Lastly, both alcohol and sugary drinks can drain energy and leave you feeling lethargic. Being mindful of these items can help you maintain your vitality throughout the day. The positive news is that eliminating these foods can be your first step to enhancing your energy. But don't worry, I will show you what to eat instead. Let's dive into the foods that can transform your energy levels. These aren't just trendy superfoods. They're specifically chosen to combat fatigue at its source. Think of these as your new energy allies, each playing an important role in rebuilding your vitality from the ground up. First on our list, leafy greens. Spinach and kale are perfect sources of magnesium, which is known as nature's relaxation mineral. When fatigue has your muscles tense and tired, magnesium helps them recover and recharge. Just 1 cup daily can make a remarkable difference in how you feel. These greens are also packed with iron, which helps carry oxygen to your cells, instantly boosting your energy at the cellular level. Moving on to healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Unlike the quick energy from sugar that leaves you crashing, these fats are like slow-burning fuel for your body. They keep your energy steady and strong throughout the day. Add a handful of nuts to your morning routine or slice some avocado onto your lunch. These fats are also crucial for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins, key in energy production. Now let's talk protein champions. Wild-caught salmon, eggs, and lentils. These foods are crucial for 3 reasons. They keep your blood sugar stable, provide the building blocks your body needs for repair, and are rich in B vitamins, your body's energy production team. When you're battling fatigue, stable blood sugar is absolutely essential. Each meal should include a portion of quality protein about the size of your palm. Don't overlook hydration heroes like coconut water and herbal teas. Even mild dehydration can zap your energy faster than you'd think. These drinks aren't just refreshing. They maintain your body's electrolyte balance. Start your morning with warm lemon water and aim to drink herbal tea between meals. Your cells need proper hydration to produce energy efficiently. Finally, our inflammation fighters are turmeric, ginger, and berries. Think of these as your body's maintenance crew, reducing the inflammation that often underlies chronic fatigue. A simple berry smoothie with a pinch of turmeric can work wonders. Some foods work even better together, like black pepper and turmeric, which, when combined, can boost absorption by up to 2,000%. Just start small. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Toss some berries into your breakfast, or grab a handful of nuts as a snack. Little changes add up. Remember, these foods work together synergistically. The more you combine them, the better results you'll see. Think of it as building your own energy-boosting symphony, where each food plays its unique part in the overall composition of your health. Let's turn knowledge into action with a practical meal plan to transform your energy levels. This plan includes a power-packed breakfast, a nutrient-dense lunch, a satisfying afternoon snack, and a comforting dinner. Start your morning with a power-packed breakfast. Creamy oatmeal topped with chia seeds, fresh berries, and almond butter. The complex carbs provide sustained energy, while omega-3s and protein ensure you stay satisfied until lunch. Think of this combination as your morning energy insurance policy. We're looking at grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed spinach for lunch. This powerhouse meal delivers B vitamins, iron, and anti-inflammatory omega-3s, the nutrients your tired cells crave. The protein-rich salmon with quinoa stabilizes your blood sugar through the afternoon slump. When afternoon hunger strikes, reach for mixed nuts and a square of dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate. The right kind provides magnesium and antioxidants that support steady energy levels, while nuts offer healthy fats for sustained focus. Dinner features a comforting bowl of turmeric ginger lentil soup. Lentils provide steady energy through fiber and protein, while turmeric and ginger work overtime to fight inflammation and boost vitality. Remember hydration, aim for 2-3 liters of water daily, including herbal teas. Proper hydration is your body's natural energy drink, keeping every cell functioning optimally. This meal plan isn't just healthy, it's delicious and practical. You won't feel deprived, you'll feel energized and satisfied throughout your day. Now I know what you're thinking. This seems like a lot to change at once. Here's the secret. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Success comes from small, consistent steps. Start by making 1 or 2 changes to your diet and gradually incorporate more over time. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Begin with just 1 change this week. Swap your morning coffee and pastry for an energizing green smoothie. Or replace those afternoon cookies with a handful of nuts and seeds. These might seem like tiny adjustments, but they create powerful momentum for more significant changes. Let me share a really effective strategy: the crowding out method. Add nutritious foods to your diet instead of focusing on what you're eliminating. The less healthy choices naturally fade away as you use energy-boosting options. It's like upgrading your fuel tank from regular to premium. Your body will notice the difference. Track your progress with simple daily notes on your phone. Rate your energy levels from 1 to 10 and notice how these small changes affect your scores over time. Remember, this is your personal journey, not a race. Some days will be better than others, and that's perfectly normal. Every small choice you make is a step toward better energy. Ready to start? Choose 1 change today. Which will it be? You've now got the blueprint for fighting fatigue through nutrition. Remember, your journey to better energy starts with what's on your plate. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Cut out the energy vampires, processed foods, excess sugar, and too much caffeine. Fill up on energy superfoods, leafy greens, healthy fats, and protein-rich foods. Stay hydrated and follow our simple meal plan. But this is just the beginning. Remember, you don't have to live with constant fatigue. Small changes today lead to significant energy tomorrow. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe for more science-based health tips and support. More information about nutrition is on my website, as shown in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the following